teachers, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you a story entitled The Elephant's Nose. There was a time when the elephant's nose was no bigger than a boot. But one young elephant changed all that. He was a curious fellow who always asked questions. He asked the ostrich, "Why do your tail feathers grow just so?" He asked the giraffe, "What made your skin spotty?" He asked the hippo, "Why are your eyes red?" One day he asked, "What does a crocodile have for dinner?" All the animals cried out, but he would not listen. He decided to go to the riverside to ask the crocodile himself. After a week of traveling, he reached the riverside. He saw something that looked like a wooden log. It winked one eye at him. Excuse me, have you seen a crocodile before?" asked the elephant. The creature winked again. "That is odd, my friend," said the crocodile. The elephant grew excited and knelt down. "Please tell me, what do you eat for dinner?" "Come nearer and I will tell you," said the crocodile. The elephant put his head down closer and the crocodile grabbed him by his nose. The elephant knew he was in big trouble. He lay back and pulled and pulled. The crocodile pulled and pulled. The elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. At last, the crocodile let go and the elephant fell flat on his big back. He looked at his nose. It was long. It was so long it could swish it around, though it hurt him a lot. He put in some leaves and hoped it would shrink one day, but it never did. And so, till this day, an elephant's nose remains long.